You didn't leave that six-figure job just to work 60 hours a week in your own business for yourself, okay? And still feel broke, busy, bogged down, and burnt out. So, sis, if right now your business feels like another bad boss, it is time to think about and consider other business models that actually work, okay? So, let's talk about freedom-based business models that actually work, that don't require any burnout, that doesn't require bro marketing, and doesn't require you to sell your soul online. Okay. In this video, I am going to show you exactly what you need to do to replace your corporate income without sacrificing your soul and sanity or compromising your health and happiness. Okay. These are the exact strategies and business models that I teach my clients inside of my VIP days, as well as any of my group coaching programs, and they work. So listen up, okay? Now, when I left my high paying corporate career, I swore I would never, ever, ever, never, never let money own me again. But I found myself right back in the same cycle, okay? Glued to Zoom calls, chasing clients, building and launching nonstop. It was exhausting to say the least. I had more freedom on paper, but less peace in real life. And that was a problem, okay? I realized that I didn't build a business, I built another prison. Just like the broken corporate system I had already escaped. I no longer wore the golden handcuffs, right? The golden handcuffs that we all know, but I was chained to my business and I was shackled to the hustle. I also realized that not all money is good money, okay? Especially when it costs your health, your identity, and your sanity. That is not a win, okay? That is not a win. There are aligned ways to make six-plus figures as a coach, as a consultant, as a speaker, as a digital creator, as an expert, as a service provider, as a legacy leader, as an industry leader. Whatever you claim yourself to be, if you are a service-based provider and you want to build an aligned and profitable online brand and business, there are better ways to do it. And let me tell you this, that is when I realized that, that's when I stopped chasing clients. That's when I stopped chasing income. Okay. I did not allow money to rule me in that way, right? I started building an ecosystem from a place of alignment and a place of freedom. And I decided I was going to embrace ease because I knew there had to be a better way. And let me break it down for you exactly how I did it and how you can do it too. Okay. The first model that I want you to consider, and what I consider to be the low-hanging fruit, probably the easiest model for you to start with, and that is coaching high ticket. Let's re-emphasize, okay, high ticket. Start with high ticket coaching and consulting. That's the first model. Why? Because you only need one transformational, rich offer that changes lives and sustains your lifestyle. Okay? You want to go deep, not wide. You don't want to cast a wide net on everybody who's competing for those at the bottom. You want to go deep and get someone a transformation. You understand? You only need to serve fewer clients, your ideal dream clients, the dreamiest of the dreamiest clients, quality people who operate in integrity, who are not needy individuals, who don't come with drama, who aren't doing chargebacks, who don't have a bargain bin, discounted, always freebie seeking kind of mindset, right? Those who are actually willing to roll up their sleeves and get in the trenches and do the work, those that you can get the best results for, those that you work best with, those who will give you the most amazing testimonials. And it also gives you more time, location, and financial freedom. Okay. This, though, is where women overthink and undercharge. So I had a private VIP client. Okay. And in fact, all of my private VIP clients regularly replace their monthly salary in just one to two clients per month. And you might be asking how, because that sounds so simple. And in reality, it actually is. Okay. And so let's think about it this way. And the reason why, by the way, I start with high ticket is because you are someone who is already making a high six-figure salary, or you've come from that in corporate America, right? So the last thing you want to do is sell a bunch of low ticket offers, okay? And I talk more about other business models at another time in another video, but we're focused on high ticket right now. Think about this. If your salary, and we're just going to go with the 100K, you may be making more, you may be making slightly less, but if you're making around 100K per month, as an example, okay? Most people, when they're first starting out in business, in the service-based business, in the online space, are wanting to make, that's a magical number, 100K, right? So that would mean means you're making about 8 to 10K a year, give or take, right? Considering the net amount, not necessarily the gross. That means that you only need to create a 4 to 5K offer, okay? And that's really considered premium price, depends on who you ask, but we're just going to use high ticket since that's what I started with. But a 4 to 5K value-based offer that you only need 2 clients to fulfill, to sell to have invest in that program or that package that you're selling, right? Or that you're offering, the solution to their problem. You only need 2 clients to work with you to hit your revenue goal consistently and to keep a spacious calendar. 2 clients is all you need. When you do the math is mathing, right? Again, you can reverse engineer that, right? If you take 100K and you divide that on a monthly basis, that's gonna be an 8 to 10K a month that you need to make to replace your income. And if you do the math on that, you work, create a 4 to 5K offer and you multiply that by 2 clients, you're going to have your 8 to 10K a month that you replace right there. You understand what I'm saying? Does that make sense? Now, before we go any further, because we're going to get into the next business model, but if you're getting what I'm giving and you love these gems I'm dropping, go ahead and leave a comment right now so we can get this discussion popping. Let me know if what I said so far hits home or makes sense and why it makes sense to start with this business model. And if you do have a high ticket or premium priced offer right now, let me know where you are in the journey. I would love to continue this conversation and dialogue beyond this video, okay? And also, if you are getting value from my video or perused around my page and you found other content that's helpful, make sure, if you are feeling my vibe and want to be part of my tribe, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a single episode whenever I drop new content and or go live, okay? Now, business model number 2 is going to be digital products and evergreen funnels. Digital products and evergreen funnels, okay? I want you to turn your wisdom into assets that will sell while you sleep. Sell while you sleep. We're talking, yes, passive income on the back end, active income on the front end, because I'm not going to lie to you, you will have to obviously do the work in the beginning, but you'll be able to collect that check on the back end without much effort or energy after the fact, okay? So the action I want you to take is to start to think about just one quick win that you can offer those you are called to serve. Who is your ideal client? Know that first. Okay, and what your niche is. And I have a video around ICAs or ideal client avatars and niche marketing if you want to know more about that. But I want you to focus on one quick win. What is the quick result that you can get for the person that you serve? Okay, I want you to think about PDFs, mini courses, a toolkit, a bundled offer, those types of things. Okay, digital assets. I want you to package a problem that you've already solved. It doesn't matter if it was for family, for friends, for colleagues and associates, acquaintances, even for yourself. Those are case studies that you can use to talk about your offer and how you got results for yourself or these other people. Here's the thing. Most people complicate this part, okay? But if you've solved a problem, you can sell the solution. You feel what I'm saying? Okay? A recent client of mine made 5K in passive sales from a mini course that she recorded one time. Once. No launches, no burnout. Okay, she recorded it one time. I taught her how to put that on Evergreen. We set up a sales system. She charged a premium price. And that's how she continues to this day to make her income goals. So it's really that simple. Really that simple. And if she can do it, if I've done it, if other clients of mine have done it, you can do it too with little effort and energy. Okay. Model number 3 is memberships and community-based subscriptions. Okay. This is a one to many business model. Okay. That means you are serving many at once in a sustainable, scalable way. Okay. So this works because it's predictable monthly income and deep community, right? You grow an affinity for your community and they grow an affinity for you, and you can go deeper because you have everybody in a centralized hub, so to speak. So that means you're making predictable sales, okay? It is monthly recurring revenue that grows with you. And that means you're not starting from zero every single month. Wouldn't that feel good to not start from zero every single month? Speaking of which, I'll be opening up, okay, honorable mention here. I'll be opening up a new membership on the school platform, School SKOOL, in case you've not heard of it, okay? I've been contemplating this for a while. I've been building it in the background, my team and I, preparing that just for you. So let me know if you're interested in joining. In the comments. Just type the word membership and I'll be sure to send more information to you, okay? And you can be one of the first to know about it and get on the wait list. Now, this is how you build a legacy without living online 24/7. Okay, you don't need to be posting all day, every day. You don't need to be on all of the platforms. You don't need to be in all of the groups. You don't need to be attending all of the things. Like, you don't need to be wearing all the hats and doing all the things. That is a fast burnout. Trust me. Okay, I know firsthand. You don't need to live online 24/7 to make this work, but you can be making money 24/7 by using these business models that I'm pointing out today. Okay. And there is proof in that 76 women say that community is a core part of their business success. That without community, they could not have been as successful as they are. Memberships give you both impact and income. So that's the best of both worlds. Okay. Now, here's what I need you to know. You don't need to monetize your misery, but you can build business from your mastery. Okay. Now, if you're ready to break this insane cycle of overwork and under earning and overwhelm and overcommitment and being overburdened all of the time, let's map out your freedom-based business model inside of the Becoming Her Again VIP Reinvention Intensive. That is the VIP day that I designed with you in mind. And it is a luxurious one-day experience for women over 40 who's done with toxic hustle. Okay, they are unsubscribing from hustle culture, just like I did, proudly, wholeheartedly. Okay, I have no qualms about it. And you are ready to build income with integrity in just one day. Spend a day with me and it will change your life. And what you're going to get from that, you're going to walk away with clarity. Okay, for your aligned business model, you are going to walk away with we're going to craft a freedom-focused revenue plan for you. We're also going to map out the exact next steps to attract your premium clients, repel the wrong clients. We want to attract the right clients and repel the wrong clients, okay, without selling your soul. You don't need to chase clients when clients will be chasing you when we're done, okay? And I also want to help you rewire your money mindset and restore your peace. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and book your Freedom and Focus Clarity call right now as soon as you're done hearing the sound of my voice. And let's find out if this is the right fit for you, because you were never meant to just survive your success. You were born to own it, okay? That is my time. I'm going to tune out while you tune in. Be sure to share this video out with at least 3 friends and watch the next video that YouTube recommends. As always, and until next time, I am wholeheartedly in this journey with you. Bye for now.